Today, I want to talk to you about wood. Hi everyone, this is Gary from Big Spud and I hope you're really well today. Wooden chopping boards are immensely satisfying to use. They have that solid feel when you're chopping with them. They look nice, and also the weight of them makes them very practical, makes them very safe, so when you're chopping, they keep very steady. I've got different ones. I've got nice posh branded ones. Oh, this is my daddy that I use all the time. And it's really solid. I bought it in a sale a few years back and gets most use. And I have this one which I don't really chop on, but I use for serving. I put joints of meat on there and they let it rest and all the juices collect round here. These are a few of my favourites. When you use wooden chopping boards, you should really oil them. Putting a coating of oil on them helps keep them waterproof and keeps them sealed. That means moisture won't get in and that you can carry on using them for years and years and years. Now, I've always used a vegetable oil or an olive oil. Just wiped onto the board very gently, just my cheapest oil that I've got in the house. I've been talking to the guys at Brandon Bespoke who have a whole range of oils for treating boards and they've sent me some to try. So they say you shouldn't use vegetable or olive oils. Olive oils can turn rancid and taint the food and make it smell. It can also make the wood prematurely age and therefore decompose, which obviously not a good thing. So let's have a look. I've got a couple of their products here. They've sent me to try a very high grade mineral oil. I've also got their wax oil treatment. It's quite a neutral smell. I wouldn't say it smells of anything in particular. Let mineral oil a try right now. Little ladle in to about half the board. Says I should leave that for a short while, but I mean look at the shine that's come up on that board. It looks like it's come out really beautifully. That rich, warm, earthy tones have come back to the wood and revitalised it. Again, my Big Daddy serving platter. So again, just showing you half of it that I've treated with the oil. The other half I haven't touched. That oil now should have seeped into the wood and providing a kind of barrier, preventing any nasties getting into it. Let's try a little of this wax now. It's really like beeswax. It's got that same quality. And carry on and just leave, again, half the board so we can see the difference and how it's brought up the shine. The camera's going to pick it up now, but this side that I've treated has got a really rich, glossy, like new finish. It's come up really well. I'm really pleased with that. So there we go, some chopping board care tips. As I said in the past, I've always used a food-based oil. Sounds like that was a bad mistake and I've been impressed with those. They haven't paid me to say this, but you know, it's a good product. Check it out. Stop press. I got in touch with the guys at brandonbespoke.co.uk and I said, can we please sort out a discount for my great viewers over at Big Spud? And they said yes. If you head to their website now, that's brandonbespoke.co.uk and use the offer code 10OFFNOW, TENOFFNOW. I'll pop that down below if you miss it. They'll give you 10% off any order. Can't say fairer than that. And it's great to support a small business. Great offer. Meanwhile, back to me. I hope that was of use to you. If it was, please drop a like. If you've got a minute, I'd love it if you could subscribe and ring the bell. That way you get notified every time I drop a new video. That's all from me. Have a great day.